Animals and their young ones. Dog and puppy.
Dog and puppy.
Cat and kitten.
Cat and kitten.
Duck and duckling.
Duck and duckling.
Lion and cub.
Lion and cub.
Hen and chick.
Hen and chick.
Goat and kid.
Goat and kid.
Cow and calf.
Cow and calf.
Sheep and lamb.
Sheep and lamb.
Horse and foal.
Horse and foal.
Pig and piglet.
Pig and piglet.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Like, share and subscribe for more videos.